Hello everyone, Sue here from Deck1. On this channel, I'm gonna give you advice on music industry topics and music marketing. As I work in the music industry myself, I hope I can give you some useful tips. In this video, we are gonna talk about how you claim your Spotify for Artists profile, even if you have not a single release out there and you don't have a profile yet. This might sound like a minor topic to even talk about, but honestly, it's very, very important. I'm going to show you why, and I'm going to show you how. So the first question is, why is it so important that you claim your Spotify for Artists profile before your first release goes online? You really want to make sure that your profile looks nice. You want to have some pictures on there. You want to have your biography on there. You want to have links to your social media channels on there, because you also want to pitch to Spotify playlist editors, and you want to send a pre-save link to your fans so they can actually save your song before it even comes out. If they go to your profile on release date and it's empty, that is doesn't really seem professional, right? Also, they don't really have a chance to understand what your whole brand as an artist is about. Therefore, it is very, very important that you claim your profile before your release is out. Honestly, I've seen it so many times working in music distribution that people don't do that, and it's just very, very sad when you have the release that you worked for so hard is coming out and it's just an empty profile. It's I don't know. It's just it could be different, and why not just make it nice and pretty? The most important question obviously is, how do you claim your profile before your release is out there? First of all, you have to actually upload your release with a digital music distributor if you don't have a profile yet. The important thing is that your digital music distributor uploads that song or your release, whatever it is, to Spotify, so Spotify knows that they actually have to create a new profile for you. That could take, I want to say, probably up to a week until your distributor can provide you with that new profile. What you have to do to claim your profile is you go to the Spotify for Artists website, and there you have the chance to choose between you're an artist or a manager, or you are a member of the label that works with that artist. Before that, actually only a couple of weeks ago, there were two different kind of pages and accounts and dashboards for labels and for artists. Now Spotify kind of puts this all into one account. So obviously you're gonna choose artist, then you get to the point where you have to enter your Spotify artist URI. You do not have a profile yet, so you can't just enter your artist name because there's nothing gonna pop up. But as I just said, your distributor has to upload your first release to Spotify, and then they can actually provide you with your Spotify URI, as they call it. That doesn't mean that your release is online yet or anything. It's just actually that Spotify already has it in their catalog and knows that there's something coming and that they have to start working on your profile. So next step in the claiming process is that you have to enter and connect with your private Spotify account. And that doesn't really matter if it's a free account or a premium account. You just have to actually create a Spotify account for yourself, enter it there, and then also provide an email address and your social media accounts. And I really, really highly recommend that. So if you are a new artist, make sure you actually create some social media, Facebook, Instagram, whatever accounts and pages for your artist, because there are actually real people who check those claim requests. So you want to make sure that they know that you are the right person to actually be in charge of that artist profile. It's going to speed it up very, very much if you have some social accounts, if there's the similar pictures everywhere, if your email address is maybe even present somewhere. So you really want to make sure you make it as easy and simple as possible for those people to verify your account. Your distributor uploaded your new release, you claimed your profile, or you requested the access to your profile, you hit the request button. You just hit submit to that request and application. Then it can take up to 10 days to hear back from Spotify. So you have to plan ahead. If this is your first release, you really want to make sure that you upload your release at least 3 to 4 weeks advance and prior to your release date. Because Just do the math here maybe for a second. So you upload your music with your music distributor. It can take up to a week until your music distributor actually provides your Spotify artist profile URI. Then you have to claim your profile. This can take up to 10 days. And then you still want to have at least 7 days to actually pitch your song or one track of your release to the Spotify playlist editors. So we're ending up with like 3 weeks and a half here. So yeah, make sure you actually upload your release 4 weeks before your release date. Another important thing is obviously you want to make sure that your release actually ends up on the right profile. So if you don't have a profile claimed yet, you're never going to be able to tell until your release is actually out. To actually discover that your music is on the wrong artist profile the day of release can be a real bummer because you put all the work into promoting your release, you shared a pre-save link with your fans, you pitched your track to editors, and then on release date, there's nothing to share because your release is on the wrong profile. That is something that should not and ever happen, because the nice thing about having already claimed your artist profile is that you will be able to log into your Spotify for Artists account, and then under upcoming, you see your upcoming releases, including the one we're just talking about, your first release. That way you can make sure your release is actually ending up on the right profile. If you don't see your release there and it is only a week or two to go until release date, you still have time to actually get in touch with your music distributor and make sure they get the release on the right profile. Obviously, if your release is not on the right profile and does not show up in your upcoming releases, you're also not going to be able to pitch it to the Spotify playlist editors, and that will be also another thing you really do want to avoid. So after you've waited for 10 days or hopefully less, you will have access to your Spotify for Artists profile. Congratulations. And then you will be able to add all the things I just mentioned, profile pictures, bio, links, etc. But also you will be a verified artist. That means your artist profile is actually going to have one of those like blue check marks right next to your artist name. So as I've already mentioned before, when you want to claim your profile, you have the chance to choose between artist and manager or member of the label team. That basically just means that you can have all sorts of team members on your Spotify for Artists accounts, and they will have also the chance to do certain things for you on your account. For example, pitch your songs to Spotify playlist editors. This is basically it about how to claim your Spotify for Artists profile if you have no release out yet, and I hope you really understand how important it is that you do that well in advance to your release date, because you want to make the best impression. You want to have the chance to actually pitch every single song of yours to the editors. So yeah, that is just a tiny little step, and you should really be taking care of that well in advance. As you guys might know already, we have a playlist on Spotify called Deck 1 Weekly, and we always add new tracks that were just released recently onto that playlist. Today, we're gonna add Jenny O with her new song, Old Habits. She just released that album a few weeks ago, and I already love it very much. So if you have a song coming out and you wanna pitch it to our playlist, feel free to just share your Spotify link to your new release in the comments below, and I'm definitely going to give it a listen and maybe add it to the playlist. That was it for this video today. I'm going to see you guys soon-ish whenever we upload our next video. It's not going to be for too long, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.